Are you looking to enhance your eyesight naturally? Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of eye health. As a passionate advocate for preventive healthcare, I'm excited to share with you some effective natural strategies to boost your eyesight. Whether you're experiencing a bit of blurriness after long hours at the computer or simply want to maintain your already healthy vision, this video is for you. We'll explore scientifically backed methods that are not only easy to incorporate into your daily life, but are also enjoyable. Stay tuned as we unleash the secrets to a clearer, brighter world through your own eyes. Let's start by fueling our eyes with the right nutrients. Just like any other part of your body, your eyes need a balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals to function optimally. Foods high in vitamins A, C, and E are your best friends. Think vibrant carrots, leafy greens like spinach and kale, and juicy citrus fruits. Don't forget the power of antioxidants and minerals. Adding nuts for vitamin E, zinc-rich oysters, and omega-3 packed fish like salmon can make a significant difference. These nutrients help protect your eyes from age-related issues and support overall eye health. Integrating these foods into your meals can be both delicious and beneficial. So, let's make our diet eye-centric. Now let's talk protection. Your eyes are delicate, and prolonged exposure to UV rays can significantly harm them. Wearing sunglasses that block 100% of UV rays is crucial when you're outdoors. It's not just style, it's health. Similarly, when you engage in sports or DIY projects, protective eyewear is a must to avoid accidents. These simple habits can prevent serious injuries and long-term damage to your eyes. Remember, protection is always better than cure. By making these protective measures a part of your routine, you're investing in the longevity and health of your vision. Eye exercises might sound unusual, but they're incredibly effective. Strengthening the muscles around your eyes can improve focus and reduce strain. Let's try some together. First, practice blinking slowly. It moisturizes your eyes and gives them a much-needed break. Next, focus on a distant object for a few seconds and then shift your gaze to something close. This far and near focus exercise trains your eyes to switch focus smoothly. Lastly, roll your eyes in a circular motion to enhance flexibility. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can lead to noticeable improvements in your eye health. In our digital age, screen time is hard to avoid. However, prolonged exposure can lead to significant eye strain. That's where the 20-20-20 rule comes into play. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. This practice helps reset your focus and reduces fatigue. Also, adjusting the brightness and contrast of your screen to a comfortable level can prevent glare and further protect your eyes. Simple adjustments like these can make a big difference in maintaining your eye health in a technology-driven world. Last but certainly not least, regular eye checkups are crucial. Visiting your eye doctor isn't just for when you have issues. It's a preventative measure to ensure your eyes are in tip-top shape. During these exams, doctors can catch problems early on, which is key to effective treatment. Even if you think your vision is perfect, an eye exam can unveil issues before they become serious. Make it a habit to see your eye specialist regularly. Think of it as a tune-up for your vision. Thanks for joining me on this eye-opening journey. We've uncovered some powerful, natural ways to enhance and protect your vision. Remember, taking small steps like adjusting your diet, protecting your eyes, performing exercises, taking screen breaks, and regularly visiting your eye doctor can have a profound impact on your eye health. Start incorporating these practices today and see the world more clearly tomorrow.